Your skin is the most visible part of your identity. There are people out there who want to exploit your desire to look your best. You have probably seen the videos popping up in your feed lately. They show a sleek little stick that claims to provide instant volume. They call it a calcium volume balm. The marketing is incredibly aggressive. These videos show people rubbing this product on their faces. Suddenly, their wrinkles seem to vanish into thin air. It looks like pure magic. It looks like a medical breakthrough. They tell you it allows you to avoid expensive needles. They promise you can skip risky surgeries. But before you reach for your credit card, you need to see what is actually happening. You need to look behind the curtain of this website. The first thing that catches your eye is the sea of 5-star reviews. They are everywhere. Every single person seems to have had a life-changing experience. When you look closer, you will notice a strange pattern. The language is very repetitive. The photos are highly suspicious. Those faces do not look like real human skin. They are smoothed out by heavy digital filters. Some of them were created entirely by software. Real skin has texture. Real skin has pores. These images are designed to sell a fantasy. Then there is the matter of the price. You see a price tag around $19. You think it is a bargain for your beauty routine. The truth is much more frustrating. If you go to a major global wholesale site, you will find this exact same product. The packaging is identical. The ingredients are the same. The cost at the source is about $1. This is a classic case of drop shipping. A company buys a cheap, generic moisturizing stick for pennies. They slap a fancy name on it. Then they mark it up by thousands of %. They are not selling you a miracle. They are selling you a massive profit margin. To make sure you do not have time to think, they use high-pressure tricks. You will see a little clock at the top of the page. It is ticking down. It tells you that the sale ends in 5 minutes. It tells you that there are only 3 items left in stock. None of that is true. It is a psychological trap. It is meant to trigger a sense of urgency. They want you to buy before you can search for honest reviews. They throw around terms like cellular level repair. It is designed to sound scientific. They want you to believe there is advanced chemistry inside that tube. However, there are no clinical studies linked. There is no physical address for the business. There is no way to verify what is actually in the formula. You are essentially putting a mystery substance on your face. That is a huge risk. You do not know if those ingredients will cause a breakout. You do not know if they will cause a permanent reaction. A real skincare company will provide transparency. They will provide real evidence. They will not hide behind fake timers and filtered faces. Do not let a viral video dictate your health choices. Talk to a professional who actually understands the science of aging. Your face deserves more respect than a $1 stick of wax from a warehouse. It is time to stop falling for these hype-filled traps. They promise the world but deliver nothing but a lighter bank account. Stay sharp. Do your research. Your hard-earned money belongs in your pocket, not in the hands of a clever marketer selling a generic moisturizer as a medical miracle. Trust your gut and ignore the countdown.